got down to the West End right now. Try to get these wings.
Right now, the best hot wings in Atlanta are at the West End Mall.
Say what's up to the camera. Put that, yeah. Oh God.
Women. I don't know, you might like white women. I don't know.
Nah, hell, that what the hell, man? Overly great. Wings to be trim, you hear me? Lemon pepper mild. Bussin'. Oh, what the fuck going, man? We back in that bit. Got my brother in that bit, yeah.
You already knew we going bigger. We going big burger. Widebody burger.
Widebody burger, man.
Burger.
Got brother man out, man. Brother man got down first time behind that bit. So I'm like, man, why not let the twin try the bit Widebody out of you know what I'm saying? Y'all, we finna go goddamn grab some wings. Y'all already know what the hell going on, man. We ate all day. Niggas is hungry as hell, so we was just goddamn scrolling on TikTok and shit. And then look what we found, man. So apparently, not TikTok, I mean YouTube. We were just watching YouTube and shit. GQ video, Lil Baby, and then he said this.
It's hot wings. Right now, the best hot wings in Atlanta are at the West End Mall. I love them. There's a lady in there who I actually call my mom. She sells the hot wings. She's been working there since I was young. Hot wings.
So we finna goddamn go tap in, see what these wings and on, bro. Shit crazy. We really from the city. TA from Florida and shit, bro. I mean, I'm from the city and shit. And nigga ain't never had these wings from the West Side. So it's like,
I had to fuck around, get the goddamn out the goddamn trunk.
Oh yeah. But we ain't never had these wings.
Feeling like a real West Side legend. They got them.
That girl $392 gonna be in the building tonight. So after we get done shooting a little video, we probably gonna link up with Dog, kick shit and shit. She got a new tune on the car, so I'm gonna show y'all the new tune on the car and shit like that too though. Y'all, we finna go down to the West End right now. Try to get these wings.
Like you got an AR, these like school zone, yellow Widebody, Hellcat, look like a school bus. Keep up in that water, I ain't had no school bus. Lie on my lap, up and blow. You just a hang bitch, I don't get too fussed. You just like to talk a lot, you ain't finna do nothing. They just like to pocket watch, so I got some zippers for them. I got pieces, zippers for them.
Alright, y'all, we just got down TD on the west side of the A. Don't give that lane, so I ain't get over. We just
never lost myself a step, back and forth, up and down the streets, feel like a trampoline. Never gonna go again.
You probably gonna take me to left.
They gotta see this shit. I know them niggas never would've thought that I could be this rich. Check out with them.
Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we pulled up to the West End Mall. They motherfuckers be overly empty. Straight, son. That bit literally straight. West End Mall, you know what I'm saying? Huh? Hold it. American Deli. Finna see what they be hitting on, P-Ski. Really part of this in the front, son. So. Alright, y'all, you can see we just pulled up to the deli. American Deli on the West End, you know what I'm saying? Finna get some strunk delicious eats, by the way, P.
I need your number too, brother.
What happened?
I need your number for the video.
Oh, send them up. Give me a number to him. 44 654 70.
Women. I don't know, you might like white women. I don't know.
Nah, hell, that what the hell, man?
Go black, bro.
Go black.
Go black.
Okay.
It's the best thing you can do.
Black.
Yeah. But what she be wanting?
Woo!
White girl. No, hell no.
Hey, man, stop playing, nigga. You too, OG. OG hell, twin. He say he fight like white women, twin. Yeah. Say what's up to the camera. Put that, yeah. Oh, God.
I had to go wham, stir.
Wham.
Hold on. I had to go wham. Yeah. Hold on, okay.
Yeah, we out here. You gonna get it right? Yeah. Thank you. Doesn't know. We're gonna go. We're gonna go 10-piece.
10-piece combo.
10-piece combo.
What pepper be?
We're gonna go lemon pepper, mild. Sprinkle. What the sprinkle? You hear me? Extra crispy.
Ranch or blue cheese?
Ranch, please.
What kind of drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1626.
All right, look. She hit me. She trying. Get some good eats. Thank you.
Thank you.
Get some good eats,
We
man.
get the same thing, auntie.
So you got something different.
Honeymoon pepper?
Yeah, same as. Oh no, give me mild.
Maybe quality too much money.
Ooh!
Okay,
Wait
baby.
for the smack. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
I can get some more ranch.
Steamy. Hey, Tom, we gonna pop out tonight. Look, I'm gonna see you the low. We going with dogs. That boy, sir. Son, show what you got, Twin. Self-investment, Twin. What the hell you got? All the brothers going camera, Twin. Yeah. Stop playing. Grrr. Listen, this bit, you hear me? We come through trim. We come through trim, you hear me?
You don't want to go no more.
There you go. Oh shit. That be open. Y'all, we just got the Shin spot.
Hey, Finn. Hey, you got napkins, bro?
I got some,
You feel
Twin.
me? Huh?
In the bag.
Where the fuck I put my food at, bro?
In the bag.
Oh, no, you said for what? Damn,
We got these deli wings, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gotta come pull up to the West End Mall, man. Overly, hold on. Overly great. Wings to be trim, you hear me? Bussin'. Y'all seen my dude? Still looking good. Still in good shape. Still cooking great wings. Y'all gotta come try, man. Come on, Energy Thank you. When you go to, you don't know what you're talking about.
You think you slick, and I know it. Hey, wait. Ain't no dang.
YouTube. Crazy, man. You got the wings in the building, you hear me?
Yeah.
Them famous West End lemon pepper mild.
I couldn't afford it.
Crazy nigga.
Okay.
If you can't break
I'm gonna call you back when you know the
I had
video.
one more buck on my plate. It was me and bro, we was so both got.
What's on the other time?
Nah, I'm John with that shit.